Adobe community expert Gary Dufner here. In this video, I'll show you how to add an image with a see-through background and move it around in the video. And when it's done, it'll look like this. Open up Photoshop and click on New File, and then click Create. It doesn't matter how big the file is, we're gonna crop it down. Add some text or draw an image on a new layer, and then turn off the background layer, so whatever you add here will have a see-through background. I'm gonna draw a star, and then get the crop tool and crop it down to this size, press return, and then do a file, export, quick export as PNG. I'll name the file star.png, export it to the folder that you're making the video in, press save. In Premiere Pro, open up your folder that has the stars.png in it, and then drag that to the timeline and drop it. Let's zoom in and let's bring the star over here. This is what the star looks like when we press play. It's very quick. So if we want to see this for a longer time, we have to drag this longer in the timeline. See how that works? Now, if we want the star to move around in the design, go to the effects panel. Make sure that you have the Windows effects panel is open. At the top of the effects panel, view the motion area here. With the image at the top of these layers here, we can select it and move it around, and we can make it smaller or bigger. And that's its initial size. I'm going to bring the timeline to the beginning of the image area. Up here, I'm going to click on the little stopwatch for position and scale, and then you'll see two diamonds appear. Let's take the timeline and bring it to the right a little bit. Double click on the star here to select it, and we can make the star bigger and we can move it. Bring the timeline to the left and press the play button to see how it works. If we want to make that star smaller again, we could select these two diamonds and do a Command C to copy, bring our timeline over here and do a Command V to paste it. Now let's watch what happens with the star. Press play. And that's how you can add a see-through image to your video.